Hi everyone, Aleli here and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'll be doing everything that I got
Okay, ang
sa
daldal ko
Philippines
sa
saka
mga
sa
medyo
Taiwan.
a bit short.
And I just got
So
back
we
a few
went
days
to a
ago.
10-day trip, Taiwan and Pinas, and I vlog my Taiwan trip, pero I know that it will take time for me to go through the video, edit it, and upload it sa YouTube. So I'm gonna share first the things that we bought para magamit ko na rin yung mga pinamili ko sa Taiwan, and also to sort out na yung mga pasalubong for friends and family. And if you wanna see my up-to-date life updates, follow me on Insta and TikTok at Aleli Bermudo. So yun, back to my normal speed.
Do this by country. So I'm gonna first show you the things that I got sa Pinas, and then later I will gonna show you the things that I bought sa Taiwan naman. So let's start with the Pinas haul. So let's go. Start lang muna natin sa food. Ay, pero first pala, I'm gonna share also yung mga binigay sa amin ni Tito Mon. So, Tito Mon visited Japan, Boracay, and Baguio. And then, binigyan kami ng pasalubong. So, I'm just gonna show it muna here before ko i-start yung actual na binili namin sa Pinas. So, first, Tito bought us a crab. I don't know what is this, pero I'm very excited to eat this. Kawawa si Ming kasi hindi niya makakain to at allergic siya sa crab. Wawa. And then next, we got this from Tito. It is the wasabi mamo. So, let's see kung masarap siya. Hopefully masarap. Then next is this one. It's a matcha milk. I think inano to ni mommy, ni Ming, kay Tito. Parang buy me a matcha powder. So, ito yung kinuha. Choco! Come here. Wait. So, before pala ituloy. Say hi, Choco. Ay, yeah. Go na. Anyways, yeah. And then, this one also, no, sorry, this is not actually bigay ni Tito. So, I'm gonna put it back. Get out. So, ito pala. So, Tito gave us this instant ramen na galing sa Ichiran. So, yun yung binigay niya. And then, this one is galing pa yata sa Baguio to. And it's a peanut brittle choco. Peanut brittle siya. So, yun. Choco, no! No? And then, of course, punta sila ng Baguio. So, Tita Leia gave us also some pouches. Ay, smell. Para hindi ka ma-curious. No, 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 no. This will be a chaotic video. So, ito. So, we got 3. Tsaka, we got 3. So, isa sa kay Ming. Isa kay Tita. And of course, isa para sa akin. And ang funny lang niya. Kasi here, nakasulat Ale Lee. So, parang yung Lee yung last name ko. And then, Ale, yung first name ko. Kakute lang, funny. Very cute mistake. Cute lang. So, I don't know pa kung ano. Probably coins. Pero hindi man kasi ako ma-coins na tao. I'll make use out of this. Tapos ito naman. So, it's smell. Feel free to smell it. Try go. Oh, go there. So, ito naman yung, I don't know if bracelet to or anklet. Pero, tig-isa kami nila mami sa ni tita. So, is yung mga binili namin sa Kultura. We bought a lot. So, we bought a lot of the same product. So, if I'm gonna show you, for example, itong King Kong chips. we bought like 5 of this in different flavors. Pero hindi ko na siya i-show dito kasi magiging chaotic siya. So, ito pala muna yung unang Choco! Away! No, 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 no. Not that. Ay, go. Pinagtripan ang crab. Dito yan sa tabi ko para hindi niya galawin. Choco! So, yeah. Choco! Mommy's filming. Away! Ay, go. Mga bagong scent kasi kaya niyo inaamoy lahat. Anyways, so, binili namin tong kangkong sa Kultura. So, isang flavor is sweet corn, tas isa sour cream. Gusto lang namin matikman. Masarap siya. Yes, love. And then, of course, as a family na mahilig uminom ng tea, bumili kami din sa Kultura nitong ready to drink na ginger tea. And then, itong isa is ginger then turmeric pala to with lemon. So, yan. Binili namin sa Kultura for the fam. And then, binili namin tong chips, salted egg potato chips. So, dalawang binili. Nope, there's a lot of this. Ewan ko na kung nasaan, pero bumili kami ito. And then, next is this banana chips sa Kultura. And then, we got 10 packs of this. Nagdala na si tita sa office nila para ibigay as a pasalubong. So, we have like 10 of this. And, syempre, sa Filipino. Anyways, yon. Tapos, we also have this. So, ito naman is a coin purse. Tapos, ang material niya is jute linen. So, made in the Philippines siya. So, coin purse siya. So, we got it in 3 colors. Sorry po kung mahingi si Choco. So, we got the black, white, saka yung tan color. Ibibigay to ni tita sa colleagues niya. So, yun. So, that's that. And then, tita actually got, hindi ko kasi kilala to. So, punta kami ng National Bookstore and then, no, Choco! Anyways, I'm back. So, pumunta kaming National Bookstore. Then, ito yung mga binili namin sa National Bookstore. So, tita bought this my budget diary. Actually, she bought a lot. Wait. Oh, shoot. So, tita bought this book from the author of I don't know kung sino to, pero ang sabi ni tita, famous, finance advisor or something. So, bumili siya. Sabi niya, babasahin daw niya. So, bumili siya ng My Budget Diaries. Tapos, Diary of Pulubi. And then, 10 utos para ang pera ay di maubos. And then, there is My Negosyo Diary. I wanna read this one. Kasi we are planning to open up a business sa Pinas. Hindi ko naman sasabihin ko ano. The thing is, Tagalog siya. Mukhang mahirapan ako magbasa. Or matatagalan ako magbasa. Pero let's see. So, that's that. And then, bumili siya ng 2 extra of this para sa friends niya. So, that's that. And then, for me, etong papakita ko, I was not expecting this sa National Bookstore. As in, talagang wala akong idea na they're selling this sa National Bookstore. And I was so happy kasi this thing has been on my wish list for a long time. And ang hirap niyang hanapin dito sa Dubai, especially sa Amazon. It's like overpriced pag binili mo. And I'm gonna show you. So I got not 1, not 2, but freaking 3. 3! Actually, dapat 4 bibiling ko kasi that's like my, na dapat by force. Kasi yung Hirono ko rin binibili ko siya by force. Pero, last 3 na lang nila to. So, yun. Pero I'm so happy meron ito. I've been wanting to have this. And National Bookstore gave it to me, man. So, bumili ako ng 3. Kasi look how cute! So, if you wanna see me unbox all of this, follow me sa TikTok sa IG at Aleli Bermudo para lang makita natin lahat kung ano yung nasa loob nito. Pero mabigat dito as in. This one is kinda heavy. So, I'm curious kung ano to. So, that's what I got sa National Bookstore. I'm so happy for this. Ito talaga, saya. And then, Choco! And then, we also, I forgot. So, bumili pala ako ng pearls. Sorry about that. So, bumili rin pala ako ng pearls sa Kultura. So, this one is actually my birthday gift kay tita because she wants a pearl earring. So, sabi ko, okay. Ito na ang gawing, ayan na yung birthday gift ko sa'yo. So, ito yung pinili niya. So, ito na yung birthday gift ko sa kanya. And then, since nga nag-Mother's Day and nandun ako sa Pinas, nandun kami sa Pinas, so hindi namin na-celebrate dito sa Dubai yung Mother's Day. So, bumili rin ako ng pearl earrings for Ming. So, ito siya. So, dangling earring siya. And I didn't know na meron na palang 18 karat gold na may pearl doon. Before kasi, nung unang punta namin, wala. Like that, pero that was years ago. Pero ngayon meron na. Masaya. Anyway, so yun. I got this for them sa Kultura. And then next is makeup naman. So, unahin natin sa Sunnies. So, Sunnies, I got this. Wala lang, yung mga famous ano lang nila. So, I got their Herb Blush Chick Tint. So, I got 4. Pamimigay to sa sa friends. So, I got Girl Crush. And then, Biscuit. And then, Fig. And then, Doll. And then, pumunta rin kami sa Sunnies. This is Sunnies. So, pumunta rin pala kami sa Happy Skin. And I got 3 lip balms. Or lip tingy. So, pumunta rin kami sa Sunnies tuloy. So, pumunta rin kami sa Happy Skin. And, ito lang yung binili namin doon. So, this one is the Happy Skin Tinted Lip Treatment Oil. This is mine. Ginamit ko na siya nung nandun ako sa Pinas. And then, I also used it sa trip namin sa Taiwan. I really love it. May color siya. Pero very, siya sa drying lips ko. Kaya, not bad. And then, this two is, again, pamimigay as a pasalubong. So, this is their Happy Skin Color Adapt Tint. So, I just got 2. And then, tita also have 1. Same Color Adapt, pero bullet siya. So, lip balm na nagko-color adapt. So, wala na akong video nun. Yes, Choco. I'm busy! Charot. Yon, so that's that. Then, I also have Sunny's blush. Yung duo blush nila. Hindi ko alam. Saan ko ba nilagay? Wait. So, eto pa pala. May binili pa akong isa from Sunny's Face. Ito is their Healthy Touch powder blush in the shade Poodle. So, sabi ni ate, bagay daw to sa skin color ko. And two-tone siya. So, may lighter and then darker, almost purple. Purple na powder blush. And ginamit ko rin siya sa Taiwan. And so far, hindi naman siya nawala sa cheeks ko kahit na super init sa Taiwan. And I was sweating bullets there. This holds up, man. So, that's that. Choco naman. Ay, go. Choco, no? So, yon. And then, ito pa palang isa. So, I got So, I got this lip balm as a freebie. Yung binili namin lahat yung Sunny's Face. So, I got this for free. And lip treat siya. If naalala nyo before, no! If naalala nyo before, I have one. Meron akong ganito din, pero yung color niya yata is fig. Ubus na siya. So, sabi ko, let me change. And then, ibahin ko na lang. So, this is the one. So, chill ang color niya today. And it's a nude color. Hindi ko alam kung babagay siya sa lips ko. Or pwede ko siyang choco. Or pwede ko siyang gawing lip balm lang. Like, my lips but better na shade. So, that's that. So, yun. Hindi. May binili pa pala ako na mga, yes, yun lang pala. Ito pa. Ito. Paano ito? Binili ni tita sa National Bookstore. So, it screams elementary days. Elementary or high school? Elementary. Grade 6. Grade 5 ako may ganito. So, binili lang ni tita is deserve and then books. So, bumili siya ng ganito. Wala lang, na-miss daw niya yung ganitong notebook. So, bumili siya. And then, ano pa yung that's it for the Pinas haul. Okay, so now, I'm gonna show naman yung mga pinamili namin sa Taiwan. So, let's start with food. Muna kasi yun yung pinakamaraming binili namin. So, choco. First, I'm gonna show you this nougat. And it's a cranberry nougat. So, you can see here, cranberry nougat. So, we got 3. And then, again, as a family na mahilig sa tea, choco! And as a family na mahilig sa tea, so, meron kami nito. So, ano lang siya, cube na ready to drink na. So, lalagyan mo na lang yung hot water and then you're good to go. So, ito is brown sugar ginger tea with longan and red date. So, here's one. And then, ito naman is a brown sugar ginger tea lang. So, I think I will like this. And then, the other one naman is brown sugar with lemon tea. So, ito naman yung isa. So, meron kami. Anyways, moving on. So, next naman is, of course, Taiwan is the land of boba tea. Like, charot. So, we got this bubble milk tea mochi. And not only one, but 3. Different brand, pero ano siya, surrounding boba milk tea mochi. So, there you go. Tapos, syempre, nagbigay si ate ng free taste and nagustuhan namin. So, we also got this boba chocolate. So, pearl siya, tapos sa loob nun is chocolate. Masarap siya. Kaya namin binili to. And then, we also bought coffee kasi coffee lover din kami. Actually, the old ones, the may edad na here are tea lovers. And then yung mga bagets, ako, aka ako sa mga kapatid ko, we're more of a coffee drinker. So here, bumili ako para sa amin. And this is a coffee. Coffee nila to. And sabi nila light roast. Light to. And then, of course, bumili din ako ng isang classic milk tea na sachet. 30 pieces, which is not bad. So, yun. And then, as a tea and coffee family, bumili din kami ng oolong tea. Ito naman ay galing sa Alicia Mountains. So, here's that. Ito yung binili namin. And then, meron pang So, inando kami sa Alician. Bumili kami ng mga souvenir. I don't know what Choco is doing. Kasi nakikita ko siya ngayon. Kaya ako medyo distracted. So, meron kaming mga ganito. Again, nasa souvenir. So, magnet siya na kahoy. I don't know if yung kahoy nito is cyprus. Cyprus ba yung pangalan? Basta yon. So, hindi ko alam kung may amoy yung kahoy. And then, Ano ba bang ginawa namin? How can I forgot? So, first night namin sa Taiwan. Ang lapit lang namin sa Ximending Night Market. So, let's go and eat some dinner. So, punta kami and hindi ko alam na nandun din pala yung Pop Mart store. So, I got so excited. Bumili po ako sa Pop Mart ng Hirono. And funny na ikakwento ko kasi I think hindi siya kasama sa vlog. The building. So, pumunta ako, chinek ko lahat from top to bottom. And then, sa below, sa ground floor, andun lahat ng Hirono. So, nandun ako sa aisle ng Hirono, chinecheck ko kung ano yung gusto kong bilhin. And then, there's this one guy or kid na lumapit sa akin. Sabi niya, ate, meron pa isang Eco Hirono dun sa harap. You can get it. Mahirap hanapin yun sa Pinas. Lagi daw nagsosold out. So, sabi ko, okay, let me check. So, buti na lang, pagpunta ko dun, nandun pa yung Hirono na Eco. So, kinuha ko. But, ang rule ko kasi sa Hirono is, if bibili ako ng isang version, dapat 4 siya kasi nga 12 pieces siya. So, I need 4 to complete kasi all of my Hironos doon are in 4s. So, each version may 4 Hironos ako on that same version. So, it's like, oh shit, isa lang yun nandito. So, ang ginawa ko, I asked the staff. Tapos, sabi niya, tinanong ko kung pwede akong bumili pa ng extra Hirono. Pero ang sabi niya kasi na, sure, you need to pay first yung last one and then you will open a new box para daw ipakita dun sa store. So, I was like, okay. So, binili ko yung isa. Hindi ko alam yung nagsabi sa akin na Eco Hirono ay nasa likod ko. So, I told ate, biling ko to and then can you please open a new box para kumuha ko na extra 3. So, on the cashier itself, as soon as binayaran ko yung isang Hirono, they open it and then binigay nila sa akin yung box. So, kumuha ko ng 3 pang additional. Tapos, nagulat si kuya. So, oh my God, ang dami mong binili. Bakit bumili ka pa ng 3? Sabi ko na, yeah, 4 talaga binibili ko pagdating sa Hirono. So, natuwa lang siya. So, to cut the story short, to siya. Tenen! So, tita is also, ay nakalimutan ko, tita also is a fan of We Care Bears. So, sabi niya, ate, bilang mo naman ako ng isang Care Bear. So, bumili ako for her ng isa. May amoy to, grabe. So, she got Funshine Bear. Ang gusto niya si Good Luck Bear. Pero nakuha niya si Funshine Bear. And may amoy sila. Ay, bakit ko nilalapit? Parang maamoy niya naman. May amoy. Pwede expect na may amoy siya. So, yun. So, I got this for her. Ewan ko kung gagamitin niya or not. Nainggit siguro siya. Kasi, daming tao sa Funko. Not Funko, sa Pop Mart ha. As in, punong-puno. So, I got not 1, not 2, definitely not 3, but 4 Hirono Eco blind box. So funny. So, na-amaze si kuya na 4 yung binili ko. Yung mga kasama ni kuya, sabi niya, yung mga bata ngayon, ito na ang mga pinamamimili. So, true naman sila. So, I got 4 of this. And then, next naman, I got this pineapple cake for the fam din. So, ano lang siya, kasi ito yung parang number 1 souvenir, nila, is their pineapple cake. So, bumili kaming 2. So, near sa hotel namin, there is a coffee shop. Ang pangalan niya is Mountain Kids. So, nagustuhan namin yung kanilang coffee na binili namin doon. So, I think share ko na sa Instagram kung anong coffee binili namin. So, we got the beans na ginamit nila for the coffee na ininom namin. So, meron nito. So, it's a fresh bean. Tapos, pinagrind na lang namin sa kanila doon kasi wala kaming grinder dito. So, that's that. And then, we also bought this tea bag style na coffee nila, which is so cool. Ganda ng concept. So, that's that. So, bumili kami nito from that coffee shop lang. And then, pumunta kami ng Old Street. Jiffon? Old Street, ba pangalan nun? Para sa lanterns. So, while we're there, bumili kami nitong souvenir na lantern. Ano siya? So, it have either a good luck charm, a good health, money, love, ganun. Yung mga nandito sa sa lantern. Ito ibibigay ko kalafya sa kay Roch. Just to, kasi friends forever. Charot. Anyway, so, that's that. And then, we also got this lantern din siya, pero in keychain form. So, how cool is that? Tapos, kapatid ko, nakita ko lang kasi fan siya ng Mimikyu. So, sabi ko, let me buy this one for him. So, that's that. And then, love na, to talaga, I love this. So, mga other anik-aniks na mga binili ko, drink holder, very useful siya. Nandun kami sa Taiwan. Hindi ko na vlog siguro, nakalimutan ko. Pero, this is mine. So, I got this sa isang shop doon sa Ximending, along with a few pa. Pero gusto ko lang i-share tong cup holder. So, I got this. Saka, pinili ko yung may puwet. Kasi it reminds me of Choco. So, ito yung mine. Tapos, sa dalawang friends ko, obviously, it's the traditional bag sa Taiwan, especially this color. So, I got this too. And then, from the same shop na binili ko to, I bought stickers. So, ano lang siya, mga traditional grocery store. And then, this one, in places sa Taiwan. And then, this fragile, handle with care. Lalagay ko to sa suitcase ko. And then, this very cute Taiwanese bag nila. So cute. And then, while nandun naman kami sa Alishan, tama ba ako? Nope, not that. I forgot the names. I'm really bad at remembering names, especially yung places. Pero, meron yung isang stationery store. So, doon, bumili lang ako ng washi tapes because I love washi tapes. So, I got this one. Ito yung design niya. And then, ito naman is isa pang design. And then, bumili na naman ako ng 3 pang washi tapes. So, ito yung design niya. So, ito yung sa Alishan Mountain na train. And then, here naman is random buildings sa Taiwan. Forgot. And then, ito is sa Taipei mismo. Yung mga buildings sa Taipei. So, I got 3 washi tapes. And then, here naman is a fridge magnet for Ming. Kalaki niya. Kabalki niya. So, I got this. And then, I got another magnet for Mommy. Juifen. Then, yung pumunta kami sa Juifen. May store doon. Doon ko saan ko binili. Wala, pumunta kami sa Juifen na shop. So, I got this one also. So cute. And then, ito naman, our boarding pass na, I don't know if you can see it, pero, pag may light siya, nagre-reflect siya dun sa screen. So, I got 3. Na ito yung pinakagusto ko na purchase. So, keychain siya ng wooden train sa Alishan. Kasi yun yung sinakyan namin. And yun talaga yung reason kaya kami pumunta na Alishan Mountain for that specific train. So, I got it. This one. And then, what else? Actually, there's more. The clothes. So, bumili ako ng clothes for my brothers. Wait. Ng clothes sa Uniqlo doon. So, first is for moi. So, very love this. Very oversized. I'm in love. So, ito yung binili ko for me. Tapos yung back is just graphic. Tapos, ito naman sa kapatid ko, plain white. With nakasulat na New York. Sana Vietnam siya. Hindi ko napansin. Ay, Vietnam, sorry. Sana Taiwan siya. Pero, hindi ko napansin. And then, this one again is for my brother and si Doraemon. Saka si Mona Lisa. Tapos kinanta yung kanta ni J-Hope na Mona Lisa. Yan. And then, I got this one then for my another brother. Bahala na sila kung anong bet nila. So, very cute lang. Graphic. Ito talaga para kay Andre. Kasi fan nga siya ng Mimikyu. So, I got Mimikyu t-shirt for him. Sayang. Sana ginawa nilang color ni Mimikyu yung t-shirt and then outline ng green. Pero okay lang. Cute naman. Para maiba yung color. And then, I got this para kay mommy. So, it's just a plain bird t-shirt. So, yun. So, that's pretty much my Philippines and Taiwan haul. So, thank you so much for watching. Ang dami kong i-edit ngayon. Pero, yeah. So, please, kung gusto niyo lang makita yung day-to-day life ko, follow me sa TikTok or sa Instagram at Aleli Bermudo. And, yeah. Hope to see you on my next vlog. So, Lely signing off. Bye-bye!